Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me, I'm going to be using settings as an example for this. So once you have it open, there's two ways of doing it. Number one will be to hold power key and volume down, or press it. Yep, pressing it, which is a little bit less convenient, but once you do, you have a couple options at the bottom. And the second option, which I consider to be way more convenient, is a 3-finger swipe down. As you can see, same effect, just quicker and easier to perform. Now going back to the options that are visible at the bottom, there is one important one, which is the long screenshots. Once you tap on it, it scrolls a little bit down, and you can just kind of keep tapping on it till you are satisfied with how far down it went, or till you reach the end of the page. And from here you can also tap on that image, and for instance, if you went a little bit too far, because as you've just seen, it does scroll down in a chunks, like intervals. So as an example, you went a little bit too far, you wanted, for instance, to capture only the settings, up to the settings and nothing below that. So what you could do is just simply grab the bar and drag it over here, and there we go. Now once you save it, it will crop it, and anything below that will not be in the screenshot. So save it, and there we go. Now all those screenshots that I have captured can be found in the gallery application. If we go into albums, we should have a screenshot album. Oh, there we go, there is the screenshots. And as you can see, there's a bunch of them, but those are the ones that I have captured right now. So there is the long screenshot, and as you can see, cropped at the system without the support. Then it looks like one with the support, which is the unedited version of it. And if we go further, this is the normal 3-finger swipe screenshot, and then the power key and volume down screenshot that I have captured. So all of them are here. Now you can capture a screenshot of any kind of application, or majority of them. Some applications do block you from capturing a screenshot in them, but most of them are basically not blocking you, so you can do whatever you want. But anyway, that is how you capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.